Welcome everyone. This is a small documentary from our side. Let us take a heritage walk around the side of College Street. It's about more than 250 years ago when some white people came to rule India. But when they left us with something you all should cherish your whole life: the gift of knowledge. The 1.5 kilometer long street holds one of the brightest lights of history. A street full of books, colleges, universities, students known as College Street. From Macbeth to Farragut, you will get every flavor of rich literature. Not only the mesmerizing books, but also humble shopkeepers who will definitely make you feel like you are in a different dimension.
Well, as we already have come to know about the most of Kolkata, the mind-blowing and heart-striking places there for the book lovers, and it's none other than Boipara, a place from where if a normal person, a businessman, a delegate, or other people and mostly book lovers pass by, they won't be able to just pass by it without exploring it out and finally end up buying some book of their own choice. Although the book lovers may get the whole world in their hands as a mere set of a book, and so do others, and some may not. But if one comes across an instant to visit Kolkata, they are bound to fall in love with the books there, as if the books have cast spell on them. Neither can they run from it, nor can they set the feelings for them, but all they can do is to drown the soul in the midst of the volume. Name College Street full of Hellenic and Boipara. Itself suggests that it's lined by many of Kolkata's most prestigious and renowned academic institutions, and is mainly known for its vast number of volumes. And whether one is looking for a second-hand student or even a decayed old paperback cover book, they will find it here. It dates back to years because legends like Rabindranath Tagore and Subhash Chandra Bose have also penned down poems and scriptures. So, one can explore this place and buy books. It's India's largest book market as well as the world's largest book market. The universal availability of books and the large network of shop owners make your book buying experience truly memorable. Significance of Coffee House. What is it? Kolkata's coffee house has become synonymous to the word Adda, a place where ideas are exchanged and so are views, a place where discussions happen. Discussions here ranges from campus study plans, politics, business, economics, marriages, sports, films, music, future plans, dreams, and almost everything you could ever dream about. With the cultural history behind it, Kolkata's Indian coffee house is quite a nostalgic hotspot in the city. Over the last 6 decades, coffee house has been a favorite with the writers, poets, artists, and political leaders. Great artists such as Tagore, Bose, Ray, Amartya Sen have been regular patrons of this project. The Indian coffee house in Kolkata was renovated in the year 2009 with paintings and portraits of great Bang leaders like Rabindranath Tagore. The Adda has its own world charm that is unmatched to that of any other place in Calcutta. The marble top tables and plastic chairs have been part of an infinite number of stories and conversations. What to eat and drink? Charming and cigarettes are the constant. Talk about the best and snacks. They're here. Coffee House shows some of the greatest coffee infusions, being the most popular coffee which is shared delight. With a variety of chicken and fish preparations, Indian Coffee House has the best and top customers. What else? You can listen to the stories the weathers have to tell you, from people like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Sunil Gangapal, Satyajit Ray, and many more. It's the author of many Calcutta celebrities like Afan Sen, Manoj, Amartya Sen, etc. Trivia of College Street at Kolkata. Coffee houses se aata. Lines from the famous Bengali song Bamanate was penned at Coffee House, Kolkata. The melody song's composition was inspired by the Adda. Long chats, culture of the cafeteria. In 1883, the first session of the Indian National Conference was held at the prestigious Albert Hall of College Street that led to the founding of the Indian National Congress in Bombay in 1885. College Street has been the hub of political meetings since 1930s and is witness to many historical political congregations led by iconic Indian leaders like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. College Street has witnessed the beginning of Naxalite movement in Bengal. The first medical college of India, the Calcutta Medical College, was established here. In 2007, College Street featured among the famous landmarks of India, which made it to Times Magazine Best of Asia list. India's first integrated book mall, Varna Paruchi, is coming up soon at College Street. It is an urban redevelopment program of the College Street Municipal Market in collaboration with Bengal Shelter Housing Development Limited. This project is an unique idea to bring together all the publishers, buyers, bookshop owners, and book lovers from different corners of the world. This extraordinary book mall will possibly have everything for all book lovers in an area of nearly 1 million square feet. This book mall will have a state-of-the-art theme mall. It has been designed by renowned architect Mr. Hafiz. There is also a food lover's paradise. Foodies have plenty to dig into during their visit to College Street. The best street shop are Pujiram and Mochak, famous for the rasgullas, sandesh, Lady Kenny, and Dorbish. There are numerous fast food centers and stalls along the sideway paths that offer a wide variety of foods like rolls, shaman shops, samosas, and kachoris that are quite popular with the crowd.
College Street is one of the most famous places in Kolkata. You can choose for any local or private transportation to take you there. There are cabs and buses readily available to take travelers to College Street. When in Kolkata, you must visit the street for the ultimate cultural impression. College Street is a 900-meter long street in central Kolkata in the Indian state of West Bengal. It stretches from B.B. Ganguly Crossing, Bau Bazar to MG Road Crossing, Varna Parichay Market, via Dr. Lalit Banerjee Sanani Crossing and Kolutola Street, Surya Sen Street Crossing. South of Bau Bazar, College Street becomes Nirmal Chandra Street, and north of Varna Parichay Market, College Street becomes Bidhan Sarani. You can also take the nearest Kolkata metro stations to reach College Street, and they are MG Road Metro Station, Central Metro Station, and Sialda Metro Stations. We must preserve the things we love, so we should stand by these age-old heritage of Kolkata and ensure that in the generation of e-books and Kindles, they are simply not lost. Thank you.